Hey everyone! Today, I'm sharing the top 5 best free online courses with certificates that you can start right now. Let's dive in. First up, the Google IT Support Professional Certificate on Coursera. This course is a great starting point for anyone interested in IT, even with zero experience. The curriculum, designed by Google, covers all the basics you need for an entry-level IT support job. You'll learn about computer assembly, operating systems, system administration, troubleshooting, customer service, networking, and security. The course is self-paced so that you can study on your schedule, and most people finish in about 6 months with a few hours each week. You can apply for financial aid to get the certificate for free. Top employers like Walmart, Hulu, and Google recognize this certificate. By the end, you'll have practical skills and a professional certificate to boost your resume. Next, Harvard's CS50, Introduction to Computer Science on EDX. This is one of the most respected computer science courses globally, taught by Harvard professors. It's free to audit so that you can access all lectures, assignments, and projects at no cost. CS50 is for both beginners and those with some coding experience. You'll learn programming in C, Python, and JavaScript, and tackle real-world problems in algorithms, data structures, and web development. The course is challenging, but rewarding, with strong community support. If you want a verified certificate, you can apply for financial assistance. This certificate is highly respected by employers and universities, making it a great way to prove your coding skills. Third one is Digital Marketing Fundamentals from Google Digital Garage. This course is ideal for anyone interested in marketing, social media, or starting an online business. It's designed for beginners and covers digital marketing essentials like SEO, analytics, content marketing, email campaigns, and online advertising. The course is divided into short modules so that you can learn at your own pace. It's completely free, and after finishing all modules and passing the final assessment, you'll get an official certificate from Google. This is in addition to your CV or LinkedIn, and the skills can help you grow a business or land a marketing job. At number 4, the Data Science Micro Bachelor's Program by IBM on EDX. This beginner-friendly series introduces you to data science, starting with Python programming, then moving to data analysis, visualization, and machine learning. You can audit the courses for free and learn at your own pace. If you want a certificate, you can apply for financial aid. The certificate comes from IBM, a global tech leader, which is a big plus for your LinkedIn or resume. The skills you gain are in high demand across many industries. Finally, Project Management Principles and Practices from the University of California, Irvine on Coursera. This course is for anyone wanting to lead teams, manage projects, or get more organized. You'll learn project management essentials like planning, scheduling, risk management, and effective communication. The course includes real-world case studies and practical assignments, and is self-paced to fit your schedule. You can apply for financial aid to get the certificate for free. A project management certificate from UC Irvine is valuable in any industry and shows employers you have the skills to lead and deliver results. And there you have it, 5 free online courses with certificates. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more tips. And check out my next video, Free Office Software That Beat Microsoft Office, right here at the top right corner for more ways to level up your skills. See you next time.